Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for Practical Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係林澤少 Joseph Lin and Alice 啊，你會常常迷路嗎？
不會。
哎呦，真的啊？
喂，
你是開車族嗎？
不常開，
不常開，
但是我方向感很棒，
不需要 GPS，
我就是導航。
你就是導航啊！哦，你知道很多男生呢迷路了，就是死不承認他們迷路了。
你說你嗎
？I don't know. I don't get lost that often, but you're right. When I'm lost, I don't like to admit that I'm lost, you know? Let's teach people today terms associated, not just getting lost, but being on the road. 我们今天可以教一些就是常常開車真的會迷路啊，要問路啦，跟路有關的一些單字好了。
Okay.
So let's go ahead and first teach people how to say getting lost, 迷路了。
沖照。
沖照，哇，这个两个字听起来跟迷路完全不一样。
其實聽起來好像你沒有方向感，然後你亂闖亂竄啊，然後就走開了。
好像衝錯地方了，沖照，衝錯地方去了。Okay.
跑掉了。
Okay, that means lost. It actually sounds like I went in the wrong direction, and that's exactly what it is. Okay, 那你迷路的時候，當然最後就是要低頭要這個問路了。You gotta ask for directions when you're lost. 問路怎麼說？
問路。
問路。Again, that's asking for directions.
問路的海陸腔。
Oh, okay, yeah, different dialect for asking for directions.
問路。
問路。一個是問路，一個是問路。Okay, and sometimes the answer we get is just cross the street. 可能是過馬路就是這個答案了啊。那這個過馬路怎麼說呢？
過太路。
變太路了。
大馬路。
大馬路啊，過太路 that means just cross the street. Okay, 我們現在來造個句好了。
好。
Let's ask someone for directions. And 就是我們。Okay, that means us.
來尋人。
來尋人 that means 去找嗎？Okay, that means go to find someone. 問路。問路 Okay, that's ask for directions 就是問路。我們這個句子全部說一次。
And 來尋人。問路
and 來尋人問路 Let's go and find someone to ask for directions. 我們還是找個人來問路吧。Let's go ahead and repeat these vocabulary right here. 我們來蕊一下這些單字哦。迷路 lost. 沖照 asking for directions. 問路問路 and finally cross the street. 過馬路
過太路
Hey, 過太路 So there you have it. If you're lost next time, you can ask for directions in Hakka. And that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
是母太嘎
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.